Every day, millions of glass bottles are produced inside factories where ancient materials meet modern engineering. The process begins with carefully mainly selected raw materials, which becomes the foundation of every bottle. Computer-controlled systems in exact proportions to create the perfect glass formula. Inside powerful furnaces, temperatures above 1000 degrees Celsius transform the mixture into flowing molten glass. At this stage, the glass becomes a glowing liquid, ready to be shaped into thousands of identical bottles. Machines, specialized formage of molten glass, ends for a precise bottle shape within seconds. Created with incredible speed, while maintaining the same size, shape, and strength. Controlled cooling removes internal stress and gives the glass the durability needed for everyday use. Advanced advections technology checks the customer before it reaches customers. From raw sand to finished containers, automation keeps production fast, efficient, and precise. After passing inspection system, storage and transportation. Once packaged, finished bottles are stored in large distribution centers before beginning their journey to companies around the world. From this single facility, millions of bottles begin their journey to beverage companies, restaurants, and consumers worldwide. Glass bottle precision technology. Simple glass materials into products used every day. From sand and minerals to a finished bottle, modern manufacturing turns nature's materials into everyday products through innovation and precision.